Okay, good morning. Welcome to
FamilyMath142a.
FamilyMath142a. Today we're going to talk about Rubik's Cubes because we saw in the New York Times this morning that it's the 40th anniversary of the Rubik's Cube. And I don't know if this is a secret or not, but we like Rubik's Cubes.
Yeah.
We have a few, right?
Yep.
What's your favorite one?
This one.
The Pyramix? Yeah, that's a cool one. We actually have 2x2s. All the way up to 7x7s. So it's fun. But what we're going to talk about today, just for fun, is the number of different arrangements of a 2x2. That seems like a good little project to talk about this morning, okay?
Yeah.
All right, so let's move this stuff out of the way and come in, and our broken 2x2 is actually going to be a really useful thing to help us understand how this works. But we're going to start with an easier problem rather than just straight out counting the arrangements of the 2x2. We're going to go with some snap cubes. And I'm going to have a line and just 4 spots. And so I have 4 different color snap cubes to start. Oops. And so here's my first question to you. How many different ways can you arrange those 4 snap cubes in a line like this?
With this one in front, you can do this and this. With these two here.
Okay.
With it like this, you've got this. And with it like that, you've got this. It's going to be 24 in total.
Okay, so all right, good. You kind of showed how you got 24. Can you talk through it, because that was pretty sneaky what you did.
Well, you can do 6 different arrangements with these 3.
Okay.
When this one just is stationary.
All right.
And you've got four tiles that can be here. So it's 6 times 4, which is 24.
Okay, very good. Hey, high five. Good job with that. That was a great way of thinking about it. Now I'm going to give you a slightly more difficult challenge. Are you ready for this?
Yeah.
How about when you've got 4, but 2 are the same color each time?
Yeah, because this isn't different.
Right, that is not different. So how many ways can you arrange these that are different?
Well, this is one way.
Okay, that's one way.
Then you can do this.
All right.
And then this is the third way.
Okay.
So you can only do 3 out of the 6.
Aha! With what? 3 out of what 6?
3 out of the 6 with this one staying still.
Okay. All right.
So maybe there's only... Well, but you can... This is the same as that.
Right.
So there would only be half as many arrangements as usual. So there's gonna be fewer arrangements.
There's definitely going to be fewer arrangements. How many arrangements start with an orange one in front?
3 arrangements.
Okay. So 3 with an orange one in front. Okay, so how many do you think there are total?
Well, the same is going to be true for a yellow one in front.
Okay.
So 6 total.
Very good. Very good. Hey, that was really good. So it changes when you have 2 or multiple ones that are the same. So when they were all different,
It's easy.
Well, it's not necessarily easy, but
it's
not that hard to count, and you get 24. But when I make them some the same, oddly enough, it becomes a little harder. But there were 6. Okay.
Yep.
So now we're going to move on to a slightly more difficult problem. Okay, you ready?
Yep.